So in this video, we're going to be breaking down Trojan Bot versus Solona Trading Bot. So Trojan Bot is Telegram based, making it easy to use and accessible. It's also ideal for quick trades and arbitrage opportunities. So it also has limited DEX integration, meaning it's focused on specific Solana decentralized exchanges. And lastly, it also provides essential real-time market data. And on the other hand, Solona Trading Bot offers a wider range of tools, including advanced analytics, copy trading, and more. It also allows you to access multiple DEXs for diverse trading opportunities. So it also provides an intuitive web-based interface, making it user-friendly for all traders, as well as providing in-depth market insights. So when it comes to choosing between the two bots, Trojan Bot is a great choice for experienced traders who prioritize speed, simplicity, and quick execution, while the Solona Trading Bot is suitable for both beginners and advanced traders who want a more comprehensive trading platform with advanced features and a user-friendly interface. So remember, both bots have their strengths and weaknesses, so consider your trading goals and choose the one that aligns best with your needs. So that wraps up our breakdown on Trojan Bot versus Solana Trading. So thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, consider leaving a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.